experiencing active noise cancellation problems with your AirPods Pro 3? Let's determine the root cause. Is it a poor fit, a software glitch, or potentially a hardware issue? Common causes include incorrect ear tip size, outdated firmware, or hardware wear after prolonged use, typically 6 to 12 months. A quick way to check the fit is Apple's built-in fit test. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, Hearing Devices on iOS, and run the test. A good fit is crucial for optimal ANC performance. Ensure you're using the correct ear tip size for a proper seal. If the fit is good, proceed to software troubleshooting. If problems persist after trying these steps, it might indicate a hardware issue, which may need to be taken to Apple for support. For fit issues, experiment with different ear tip sizes to get a snug seal. Clean the ear tips and microphone grills regularly to remove wax buildup, which can significantly impact ANC. To address potential software glitches, try a full reset. Place your AirPods in the charging case, open the lid, and press and hold the setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber. Then, repair them with your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version to receive the latest AirPods firmware updates, which often include ANC improvements. As a last resort, especially if you suspect hardware damage, contact Apple support. They can run advanced diagnostics to pinpoint the problem and offer solutions, including possible replacements if covered by warranty or consumer protection laws.